Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Perpetual. If you're new, you're warmly welcome. And thank you all so much for joining me today as we make some easy oven grilled tilapia. Come along and let's get started. As always, the exact measurements will be in the description box below. I'm gonna start by getting rid of the fins of my tilapia and any extra scales that may be left over. And I have a bowl of water that I'm just adding some soy sauce to, and I'm gonna be rinsing my fish in this. I find that it's able to get rid of a bit of that fishy smell. And now I'm gonna move on to the marinade for the fish. Just a few simple ingredients and it'll be ready. Now guys, my all-purpose seasoning and my suya pepper or khebab pepper has quite an amount of salt in it already, so I did not add additional salt to my marinade, especially because I'm going to be marinating it overnight as well. But if you'd like, please feel free to add a little bit of salt into your marinade before you blend it. And I'm gonna go ahead and score the fish as well, just to allow extra flavor of the marinade to go into the little corners as well. Now I'm patting my tilapia dry with a piece of paper towel just to make sure that the marinade really goes in well. And next up, I'm going to get my blended marinade onto the fish, and I'm going to really rub it in and make sure that I get it into the score lines as well for extra flavor. Of course, there are so many different ways that you can grill tilapia in the oven. This is just my simple go-to recipe for when I have a busy day. As time goes on, I will share more amazing ways of grilling as well. Now, of course, the spicier the fish, the better, at least in my opinion. So I'm adding a little bit more of my suya powder to it, just to add a little bit more spice. And I'm just covering it with some cling film, and I'm going to be marinating this in the fridge overnight, but you can do it for just a couple of hours if that's all the time you have. And I'm just putting some oil onto my grilling dish here, and then I'll get the tilapia on there. And just before it goes into the oven, I'm brushing on a little bit of extra oil and making sure that I get all the marinade on it very well. So after the oil goes on, it's going to go into the oven at about 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, and you flip it halfway. I thought I filmed that part. When I came to edit, realized I didn't have that section. So sorry about that, guys. And for today, I'm just serving it with some veggies on the side. So I have some green bell peppers, some onions, tomato, and a little bit of lemon to go on top. So I'm just chopping those up right now. And our tilapia is almost done as well. And once it's out of the oven, just carefully get it off your grill pan onto your serving dish, and you can serve it with any side of your choice. Of course, the obvious ones are your bangkung and your kenkey type dishes. But if you have not tried grilled tilapia with jollof, today I'm telling you it is an amazing combination that I think you should try very soon. And now I'm just garnishing with my veggies, and my lemon will go on as well. And that is it, guys. Our simple oven grilled tilapia is ready to be served. And of course, I cannot wait to hear from you when you try this amazing recipe out. And if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, remember to subscribe to my channel, and please tell a friend to share my channel as well. Thank you all so much for coming along with me on this absolutely delicious journey. I'll see y'all again very soon. Take care, my loves.